This is DSH Gasifier system. Two systems of 20 TPH each. These gasifiers take any kind of biomass like wood chips, briquettes, pellets, any other loose material. As we can see, the biomass is traveling via conveyor to the gasifier reactor. This gasifier converts this biomass into a gas, and that gas burns in the boiler or any other furnace. It is a fully automatic system with automatic feeding, automatic ash discharge, automatic temperature control, burner system. It's a full PLC based system. Two gasifiers of 20 TPH each. Now we have come inside the plant. We can see the gas from the gasifier is coming inside to this blower and to the boiler. This is the gasifier number 1. Now this is the second gasifier. The pipeline is coming inside from the second gasifier through the blower to the boiler. This is boiler number 2. Both the boilers are of 20 TPH each. The other side, we can see this boiler, the boiler number 1. Now we will just open the hole, flame hole, and can see the powerful flame from the gasifier. Now we are moving to gasifier number 2, pipeline, blower, burner, and now the flame.